कोई ऐसी मिस ना हो जाए जिससे कि बाद में ये इंसान मुझे नुकसान दे पाए.
Number of times I see the message, we are a luxury streetwear label. Shut up.
Do you think there is something in the product specific to the Indian market? What does the Indian consumer like? Like when you reach that place in life when you earn enough to spend on.
ये हमारे बड़े भाई अर्बन नीड्स की रिसर्च करते हुए
टेप दूंगा डायरेक्ट. That injury has fucked up the rest of my. So Sunday today, and I was at Third Wave Coffee in Khan Market because I wanted to work outside because I was feeling very sad at home क्योंकि कोई था नहीं घर पे. And even the work that I was doing was pretty sad क्योंकि I had to finalize the terms for the reconstitution deed with the partner at Urban Needs. तो उसमें सब बहुत ज़्यादा डर लगता है, बहुत हार्ट हैवी हो जाता है ये सोच के कि कोई ऐसी टर्म मिस ना हो जाए इस अग्रीमेंट में जिससे कि बाद में ये इंसान मुझे नुकसान दे पाए. That's like the last opportunity that I have to actually make sure that I don't get affected negatively while giving the partner an exit. Now, I was confused at this one place about finances, and that's why I picked up this one study material I have from my old company. It's Finance for Non-Finance Managers. It is a full booklet where they have explained everything related to finance about a company that I need to understand. So tonight I'll stay awake the whole night and finish this whole thing and understand.
If it was my last day,
Shooting for a new video today and we have a new beast to shoot. कौन सा है भाई कैमरा?
बताऊंगा नहीं.
कितने कमेंट्स तो बताए.
पहले हमने फ्यूजी वाला ट्रेंड चालू करा था, अब हम दूसरा वाला ट्रेंड चालू करेंगे.
कोई और ब्रांड.
कोई और ब्रांड.
ब्रांड नेम नहीं रिवील करेंगे लेकिन कितने कमेंट्स में रिवील करेंगे? 1000 कमेंट्स एंड रिवील.
Sam,
नील.
Neil. I'm bad with names. Very bad. with
Rishabh, Sam,
I had to rush to meet the founder CEO of New Me, जिन्होंने काफी ज्यादा insights दिए मेरे को on how I should build the brand. Now let's go have dinner. One thing I've definitely realized is you can't stop having fun. Like the only reason that I'm able to work this hard, and कभी कभी मैं भूल जाता हूँ ये चीज़. The only reason anyone can work hard is you keep doing things that you love. Even though the type of work that I do is something that I love, but can't leave the activities out.
so smoke some, drink some, pop one.
Happy birthday.
happy birthday to
Guys, so we're at the Casio event and Aditya is gonna dance for us today.
Huh?
You're gonna dance, right? You have a performance coming up.
Yeah. I'm gonna
Which
dance.
song?
Gajrare.
Nice one.
With the Japanese guy.
Yeah, with the job.
मैं गया इसलिए था ट्रिप के लिए we are training there.
Casio's first ever automatic watch.
Hi, so my question is more about, so I'm always interested in product development and how you design the whole product and all that. Not really, this question is not really about how the market research was done in terms of price and all, but it's more about when you were designing the product. Do you think there is something in the product specific to the Indian market? What does the Indian consumer like in watches? What are some trends you've noticed that Indian consumer is really connected to when it comes to the design of the watch?
automatic watch movement is really acceptable.
What timepiece are you wearing?
I'm wearing a. It's not on.
बैटरी कितना हो गई?
It's a EWD 5600.
What's special about this?
It's expensive.
What's this pin about?
There is just fashion moment.
So we are currently shooting the kurtas video and one light, another light. भाई क्या लॉजिक है लाइट्स के पीछे?
हम आगे ज्यादा प्रैक्टिस करें ताकि पीछे से फटे ना एक्सपोजर वगैरह।
कि बाहर से बहुत लाइट आ रही है तो आगे से और स्ट्रॉन्ग लाइट मार रहे हैं सब्जेक्ट पे।
बाहर अंदर से
ओके और एक पे सॉफ्ट बॉक्स है एक पे नहीं है।
थोड़ा सा इफेक्ट देने
Okay.
बैक ऑफ द हेड पे।
ओके क्या कौन सी लाइट कहते हैं उसे?
बैक लाइट।
बैक अच्छा ओके।
अब ये डालो
कुछ और नए नए सैंपल आए हैं, पता नहीं अपने हिसाब से कुछ भी भेज देते हैं भाई.
So today is the first time that I'm actually sitting in business. Fuck all these big lines भाई, ये इकोनॉमी क्लास के लिए है. ये देखो लाउंज पे भी लाइन लगी हुई है इकोनॉमी क्लास वालों की.
देखा गरीब साले कैसा होता है लाउंज.
But bro, jokes aside, like it feels very good कि finally, like when you reach that place in life when you earn enough to spend on your own comfort and own time. वही stage पहुंच चुका हूँ मैं, which I'm really glad about.
Inform the nearest cadet.
Also
This is what you get. तो भाई बिजनेस क्लास काफी बड़ी डील थी भाई. मतलब फॉर मी इट्स जस्ट इतना काम कर करके ये सब भी भूल जाता हूँ कि उस काम का फल भी तो एंजॉय करना है. I forget that I also have to enjoy the fruits of my labor. And then I traveled business for the first time. That's crazy. Crazy experience. I don't think I can go back to economy now. एक बार में आदत लग गई है शायद मेरे को. But bro, like, damn, when you come from where I am from, like, ऐसे मिडिल क्लास में तुम सोचते नहीं हो कि तुम कभी बिजनेस क्लास ट्रैवल कर रहे होगे और अब खुद के पैसे से ट्रैवल कर रहे हो तो क्रेजी है भाई. सनलाइट वाली जगह पे मेरा ड्रीम्स है.
नहीं हम पार्टी करने गए थे बाली पहुंच गए bro. बाली में
Yo estoy en la mía, no tengo adversario, no. Con los Yankees los me aguanzato. A correr que otra vez lo sacamos al estadio.
No matter how much you party, जिम मिस नहीं होना चाहिए.
Tú tienes piquete, mami, yo también. Tú estás buena, yo estoy bueno también. Huele rico y ando con los de 100.
कूदना नहीं मैंने लेंस इरिटेटिंग भाई है ना मेरा. शीला guys, I present you my newborn baby.
I can't believe we're gonna scuba right now.
it's scuba dive.
Tú tienes piquete, mami, yo también. Tú estás buena, yo estoy bueno también. Huele rico y ando con los de 100. Si tú lo quieres, lo tienes que mover, lo tienes que mover.
I don't like it when people say you have time. You really don't. चाहे तुम काम कर रहे हो या तुम मस्ती मार रहे हो, तुम्हारे पास किसी चीज का टाइम नहीं बचा है. And my opinion, that's the only way to live life. That it's very short. Always think that. ठीक है, मतलब कि you don't have time to reach a certain milestone. Do it now. काम करना है, do it now. Enjoy करना है, do it now. तो आज मैं काम करने वाला था. मैंने 2 दिन से काम नहीं किया, लेकिन मेरे को रियलाइज हुआ अगर मैंने काम कर लिया तो ये जो मस्ती वाला मूड ऑन हो पाया है ये नहीं कर पाऊंगा मैं. ऑल्सो वेयरिंग Urbanese Zoom. Obviously cannot miss the protein. This is very tasty.
ये हमारे बड़े भाई अर्बन नीड्स की रिसर्च करते हुए
टेप दूंगा तेरे.
सीधा पकड़ो.
Legit.
That's so beautiful.
भाई 100 दे रहा तो ले लेंगे फिर. क्या हुआ ब्रो? आजा।
गांड लगी ब्रो. I landed on my ass.
तो वहां से पानी डल के मुंह से निकला?
वो सब जगह से अंदर गया.
So, seems like sometimes things don't go the way you want them to go. I'm now in Ubud, but bro, that injury has fucked up the rest of my trip. And it's just that I have to go back home early now. I really wanted my solo part of the trip, जो कि ये group travel के बाद होने वाला था 10-15 दिन के लिए. But sometimes in life you just have to accept that life will happen. It will break you, and all you can do is just accept that it broke you and then just fucking move on, man. After a really long time, I was getting this trip for myself, this solo trip, which I really need to charge myself up for work. But the good part is that now, when I've decided कि भाई बाकी का trip cut short करो, it's really about saying that okay, fuck emotions. And what is more logical is that I actually look after my back and let it heal. क्योंकि इतना पैसा कमाओ कि वापस आ जाओ भाई. How does it matter? Look at this. Look at the sunset. Beautiful.
All right, time to get back. What a tea lounge है भाई. Back to work.